Hi, how are ya? It's Angeline. I'm back with a crafty video with Unity stamp, and today it's all about this cute snowman snow globe card. So I've already stamped and colored this cute set called Holiday Hello Kit by Terry Jackson, and I'm grabbing some glittery cardstock here by Simon Says Stamp, and also this snowflake paste by Prima. This is a paste that kinda dries like glittery snow when it's all done. So first I'm going to adhere this snowman snow globe onto my card with some adhesive, and then I'm going to add some snow right at the bottom of the snow globe using the paste. So I don't want to cover the glittery cardstock too much, so I'm just using my palette knife and just carefully putting some right at the bottom. So if you don't have a snow globe die, don't worry, you can always use a circle die, cover it up with some paste, and it kind of looks like a snow globe then. Next, I'm grabbing the Cinderella sequins here by Unity Stamp, and I'm grabbing the Thermal Web Mixed Media adhesive here just to put them right onto my card, and this will adhere the sequins really well onto the card without falling off. And I'm just placing the different sizes all around as if snowflakes are falling down. So here is my finished card, so glittery and sparkly. It's just perfect for the holidays. I hope you enjoyed this really quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!